You're watching NASA TV.
Good morning. You are looking live at the Russian Mission Control Center in the town of Korolyov on the outskirts of Moscow, where Russian flight controllers, working in concert with the team of flight controllers here at Mission Control in Houston at the Johnson Space Center, are preparing for the second spacewalk in 48 hours outside of the International Space Station.
Russian Spacewalk 55 will be conducted by Sergey Prokopyev, EV-1 in the red stripes, and Dmitri Petelin, EV-2 in the blue stripes. To start the spacewalk, crew will egress the Poisk airlock with a Strela adapter and 2 crew lock bags. Both crew will translate along the starboard side of the Poisk module until they reach Strela 2. Using the Strela 2 boom, the next translation will be stationed forward to the Zarya module. From here, both Sergey and Dmitri will maneuver starboard and nadir to their first worksite, an airlock grapple fixture on the Rassvet module. Dmitri will retrieve the Strela adapter and both crew will install it on the airlock grapple fixture. Once complete, they have a short translation down to the radiator, where they'll work to remove restraints 5, 6, 7, and 8. Translating to the nadir side of the radiator, they'll remove 2 more restraints and vent nitrogen pressure in the hydraulic loops. When the lines have been vented, crew begin moving back to Strela 2. They'll take Strela back to Poisk, stopping shortly at the end effector to install a retainer. After arriving back at the airlock, crew will retrieve the large object attachment system and take off towards the Nauka module via Strela 1. Sergey and Dmitri will translate further nadir to the work. They'll both work the retrieval, installation, and deployment of the large object attachment system. Finally, 2 adapter panels and 1 receiving panel will be installed on the frame. To finish the spacewalk, crew will translate back up to the Poisk airlock. After performing a tool inventory, Sergey and Dmitri will ingress the airlock and close the hatch, ending Russian Spacewalk 55.
Okay, I am at the site. Sergey, you can use circle handrails to go higher. Sergey, watch the crew log back. I am on the Strela, translating to Strela's other side. Affirm.
Сейчас водолазы ноги занесут тебя.
How are the legs doing? We're waiting for now. As you get to the FGB, watch your translation path. Am I going to be able to get through over here? I think you need to go over Stella. Okay.
Серег, еще поаккуратнее, пожалуйста, у тебя под ногами антенна находится.
Almost an hour and a half into today's spacewalk, a good view of the two cosmonauts who are at the Rassvet module on the Earth-facing side of the Russian segment of the station. At the top of your screen, docked to Rassvet, is the Soyuz MS-22 spacecraft that brought Prokopyev, Petelin, and NASA astronaut Frank Rubio to the station back in September for their 6-month mission on the orbital outpost. They are in the process of identifying and releasing a series of launch restraints for the radiator that is stowed on Rassvet. Again, Rassvet was the module, the mini research module number 1 in the lexicon of space station parlance, that was delivered to the station 12 years ago on the STS-132 space shuttle mission of Atlantis. Also on Rassvet is an airlock that will be prepared for its relocation from Rassvet to the Nauka multipurpose laboratory module. Today's work is preparing the radiator itself for its relocation on the next Russian spacewalk on November 25th. The airlock itself to be relocated on December 6th during the 3rd Russian spacewalk in the current series.
Сейчас немножко отдохните, мы довольно ударно поработали, гайки покрутили.
Please take a break. You have been working hard enough. Releasing the knot.
Минуту отдохнем и дальше будем работать с УСА.
We'll take a couple of minutes to rest, and then you will proceed with the active attachment interface operations. Affirmative. Panel 1.
Так, номер 1 сзади. Готово?
You ready? It's not going to get set. We'll need to remove this first. Do you want me to swap the tethers? Yes. Okay. Okay, I'm holding it.
Okay, I got it engaged.
Did you clear it? Yes, I did. I can stow it in the crew bag as well. Yes, there is some room there.
And 51.6 degrees to either side of the equator.
Are we going to need cameras later, or can we put them away? For now, you can turn them off. But I already turned it off. Okay, leave them off, and we will turn them on again after SKKO installation. Okay, copy.